Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. So today we'll be roasting corn with our air fryer. So here I have my corns which I've already removed from the cob. All I'll do is to transfer them into my air fryer basket, set the time and roast them. Let's go ahead. After which I plugged it to the light, set it at 160 degrees Celsius and for 15 minutes to roast. Fifteen minutes later, it didn't give me exactly what I wanted, so I had to put it back, set it for 200 degrees Celsius. I think that was what I should have used initially. I set it for 200 degrees Celsius and they allow it to roast for 10 minutes. And that was perfect. As a Nigerian, I like to enjoy my corns or maize with pears. So I'm going to be roasting some pears in my air fryer too. And within 5 minutes, the pears are ready too. This was a very yummy combo. Combining corn and pears. Woo! It's heavenly. Oh my god. It's hot but delicious. And using air fryer is life made easy. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.